Okay, student. So student, I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So doing words. These are doing what? Now I'm showing you a worksheet. It is from Calling worksheet. These are recommended Calling worksheet for English grammar. Okay. Related to the all chapters of book. And arrange just like the book. What you have to do, I'm giving you one example. Match the following subject. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are known as subject, mean noun. These are noun. You have to match the subject with their correct doing words. And we know doing words mean doing words are known as verb. So we need to match the doing word just like it. But don't do straight matching. Sun shines. Star twinkle. Okay, now your work you have to do. Another way you can also write down the answer like this also, that sun shine. Then stars twinkle. Okay, so in this way it is better to write. In the exam time, try to avoid straight matching. Straight matching means line matching. Straight matching means line matching. Try to avoid. Okay, better to write like this, that sunshine, star twinkle, and here you can put the also number, that sun, option E, sign. Like this you can do. Choose the correct answer and do it in your English language copy. These are very important for the essay 1 exam. Parents are requested to keep away from the camera. Sun, shine, star, twinkle. Definitely will tell you the answer, but after few minutes. Let's try it by yourself. Mijahil, yes. Unmute your device.
ম্যাম প্রেজেন্ট হয়ে গেছে।
What?
হ্যালো ম্যাম, ম্যাম নাম প্রেজেন্ট হয়ে গেছে।
No, I didn't take the name. I took
Okay, ma'am,
screenshot every day. Okay, don't worry. Misail, take out your English language copy and do the worksheet.
এইটা নয়, ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বার করো, এটা তো গ্রামার।
Misail, from next time, try to do the class with your full uniform, with the pant and shirt. Okay, shirt is not called a uniform. Do the class with shirt and pant, because keep in mind you are a student of St. Xavier School. So dress up properly, then join in the class. Student, you can also zoom the screen from your side also. Yes, Ronak. Afrin, Nas, keep on the camera.
मैम कॉपी पर लिखना पड़ेगा क्या बुक पर?
कौन सा बुक में? ये तो बुक में नहीं है, ये तो वर्कशीट है. You have to do it in the copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and speak in English only.
Okay.
Okay. So for English language, I can tell you that extra worksheet question will come from extra worksheet. If I give you from book, so it is known by everyone. Easily everyone will get the full mark. So you should practice more and more. English grammar is just like math. If you practice more, you will get more number. It is absolutely based on your knowledge. But definitely if you will get a suggestion. So these are suggestions. So among 12, definitely there will be 5 in the exam. Yes, Barnabo.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, very good. So fast. Very, very good. Okay. Now, Barnabo, do one thing. Whatever you have written, then read it out. Because you have to wait for other. So better read out, just like sun, shine, star, twinkle. Okay, Arvika. No, don't show me the copy. No need to show me the copy right now. We'll ask you. Okay? Wait. Wind blows. Bells ring. Rain falls. Clouds float. Lions roar. Clocks tick. Snacks fish. Flowers bloom. Baby crawls. Birds chim. Tirasha, sit in front of the camera. Will request to your parents, keep away from the camera. Mandeep, what are you doing with a cell phone? No, don't do this. In online class is going on and you are taking photo. Don't do it. See, all of your friends are doing live class. They are writing. And instead of writing, you want to take the picture. This is recording class. I am recording the class. Don't do it, Mandeep. This is not allowed. Do. Everyone is doing. You must have to do the classwork. You are a good boy. No, you can't do this. See, most of have come. Oh, Ishani, yeah, this is, I was telling, very, very good. Ifra, Rashi, very good. Ifra, okay, very, very good. So in the exam, also if you get any type of matching, not only for English, for SST, for other subject, try to do matching in this way. That will be better. Don't try to avoid draw lines. Okay. Mushina. So students, just touch on the screen. If you are doing class from your mobile, then touch on the screen. Ayush, very good. Very, very good. Ayush, improving day by day. Very good. Himadri, okay, very good. Shamprikta, very good. Very good, Shamprikta. Afrin Nas. Acha, Afrin, come little bit close to camera. Okay. We use a doing word after a subject. After a subject and after a noun. You can note, just everyone notice that sun, star, wind, bell, these all are nouns and subject. Subject means to whom we are speaking about in the sentence. So doing on always use with the noun. Shivagni, very good. Irene, yes, absolutely like this. Always do matching like this. Very good. Raisha, Swastik, are you there in the class or not? Raisha and Swastik. Tirasha completed. Choyanika, Srishti, Arshi. If you have completed, show me your copy. Very good. Srishti, Rihan and Aryan. Yes. Very, very good. Very good, Srishti. Choyanika, Tirasha. Very nice. But ma'am will give you another worksheet. But very few thing you need to do. Another worksheet ma'am will give you, but very few thing you need to do. Akmal Ali, very good. Zubaidul, Ditha, okay. Mushina, Pratyusha, Sanchayan, Oishani, completed. Oishani completed. Okay. Okay, Oishani. Sampriti, okay. Shomodip, Arvind. Okay. Orgopol, Ashna Nas. Ashna, I said, na, don't do this type of line matching. Okay, good. Nishan. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes more. Nishan is doing, I think. Nishan, are you doing? Okay, okay. Rona completed. Zubaidul completed. So if you have completed, now raise your hand. Okay, Zubaidul. Orko Paul. Okay, good. So I'm going. Okay, okay, good. Okay, very good. Okay, wait, all of you. Okay, do only these 5 sentences. Write the answer of only 5 sentences. First of all, drop your hand, all of you. What you have to do? Replace the underlined word with he, she, or it. Okay, Shomodip. Now do exercise C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me tell you one thing. We use it for animals and for any things. Things mean any non-living thing like pen, and also for animal. Keep in mind, for animal and for thing we use pronoun it. And for boy he, and for a girl she. And for more than one person we use the pronoun thuit. Okay, so now replace mean Sarita plays tennis. Instead of using Sarita, use a pronoun and then rewrite the sentence like Sarita plays tennis. She is a good player. Like this you can write. Okay. As I need to take the attendance, that's why I drop your hand. So these types of question will come in the exam. So Raisha, what is your problem, Raisha? Every day you keep your video off. Why you do this, Raisha? I've noticed that every day. Raisha, don't do it. You are not allowed to keeping your video off. No one allowed in the class. Zubaidul? Acha, Zubaidul, very smart. You have written only answer. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, good. I know it is last class and very much tired. Yes, Mijail?
ম্যাম আগের কোশ্চেনটা আরেকবার রিপিট দেবেন?
Why you are
একটুখানি বাকি আছে।
why you are talking to me, ma'am, while your student is present there? Ma'am, right now I can't repeat. Right now I cannot repeat, but you will get the recorded video. Okay, I will upload the recorded video from where you
ওকে
can.
ম্যাম।
আমি ক্লাসের পর রেকর্ডেড ভিডিওটা আপলোড করে দেবো ওদের যে স্কুল অ্যাপ, ওখান থেকে দেখে নেবেন। না হলে কালকের ক্লাসের শুরুতে আমি আরেকবার দেখিয়ে দেবো, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, ওকে করতে দিন, ওকে করতে দিন। ও তো চুপ করে বসে আছে, ওর খাতা বই কোথায়?
এই ম্যাম করছে, ও করতে করতে কমপ্লিট করতে পারেনি বলে আমি তুলবো বলে কোশ্চেনটা তারপর আপনি তুলে নিলেন।
এইটা হয়ে গেছে, যেটা দেখাচ্ছি সেটা হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওটা করছিল।
কোথায় করছো? তো চুপ করে বসে আছে।
এগুলো নিয়ে
সবার ক্লাসে
এগুলো
কমপ্লিট করে ফেলেছে, তুমি একা করতে পারোনি। And Misail, you are not regular student. আমি আজকেই তোমাকে ক্লাসে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। Be regular in the class. এক্সামের 1 মাস আগে ক্লাসে জয়েন করলে তো হবে না। Misail, do. Parents are not allowed in the class. And student, if you have any question, you have to ask me. Ifra Bornabo completed. Yes? Okay. Okay, keep it down. আচ্ছা, the dog. I can write the dog. I can write eat. I can also write eat. I should write eat. The dog. It has a long tail. My brother. So my brother is a boy. So write he. My aunt. 1 minute. As I am writing so far, he. She. The pen on that table is new. The pen. The pen here will be eat. And Sarita, she. Done. Okay. Enough for today. Ifra, okay. Mushina, Arvika, Oishani, okay. Tirasha, Nishan, Samprikta, okay. Deeptha, Pratyusha, okay. Very good. Irene, Shomodi, Bornabho, Rajdhi, okay. Good. I hope you have did it well. Okay, okay, all of you. Arshi, Rashi, Afrin, Sanchayon, Shivagni, okay, good. Swasti, Raisha, okay, very good. Arvika, Himadri, okay. Shagnik, Armin, Shampriti, Chanika, Zubaidul. Okay, good. Shampriti, okay. Very, very good. Okay. Ayush? Okay, good. Okay, Rashi.